Hey guys, I'm doing a Valentine special Q&A. You asked me some serious questions about what relationship problems you're going through, and the answers I have got for you in this video are going to be really good. So I hope it's going to help you because, well, it will. I know for a fact there's going to be some serious cutthroat advice, but you have to subscribe to my channel if you want to get this advice, and you have to ring the bell and get notifications for all new videos because I'm going to have plenty like this and also financial content about how to improve your wealth. I like wealth and also your personal life to be fixed. But anyway, where am I? I am in a most beautiful place. It's Valentine's Day today and I booked a lovely suite. Let me show you around the suite very quickly. This is, we've been here all day. Me and George and Coco have been here. And this is a beautiful place. Can you hear the sea? Love it. Look at that beautiful sea view. And we've got palm trees. Absolutely beautiful place. So this is February 14th and it's south of France. Beautiful area. And it's such a nice, climate. It doesn't feel too cold. So we're having we had al fresco lunch. Now it's getting a little bit darker, so I thought maybe I should do my YouTube video for you guys. So let me just show you around the room, say hi. Oh, and I even got some chocolates that had love on them. And if you look inside, they look quite cute, don't they? These are the little things in the hotel that, you know, makes everything a little bit more fun. Little cute touches like that, anything like that makes me excited. Yeah, Moroccan feel. George, say hi.
Hi guys.
What are you doing? We're going to do
working on
Valentine's Q&A. Do you want to get involved in this Valentine's Q&A?
Yeah.
He hates the camera, so that was a load of nonsense. That yes was not a genuine yes. Anyway, we've got a second terrace, so we don't just have one because I booked the best suite. And this one has another terrace. So pretty, so pretty. Let's see what's going on here. I love a beautiful themed hotel. Check out the bathrooms because the bathrooms are super important to see if it's really a luxury standard. Yeah, I think it's pretty good. I love the cupboards and the bathrooms. Twin showers, that's what makes it worthwhile for Valentine's. I love that. It's very like couple friendly. So yeah. Anyway, let me move back to, where should I sit? I think I'm going to sit here with my Moroccan background and I have your questions, so I'm going to go through them now. I want you, if you guys don't know where I got these questions from, it's from my Instagram, and you should follow me on @HitherMann. My social media links are always @HitherMann. There are no other social media. So if you're following a fake profile that's pretending to be me or associating with me, there are loads of fake people using my pictures on social media. So be careful. My social media is always @HitherMann for everything. Okay, let's go on to the questions and answers. Quite a few of you said time was the issue, not having enough time for each other. Now that's a very simple thing, and that's kind of why I created Fortune Academy in the first place, because I want to teach people how I did it. And that was, I also had that problem of not having enough time. When you don't have enough time in your relationship, what will happen is that you can never really develop a relationship to a good level, because it's very like you're still dating. You can't really live together, and if you live together but you don't see each other, it doesn't really work. So I think time is super important before you can call a relationship a proper relationship. Me and George moved in pretty soon. Like we moved in together pretty soon, didn't we, George?
Yeah. After a few months.
Yeah. How many months? I think it was like
3 or 4 months.
Yeah, 3 or 4 months we were living together. It was a bit intense. I was someone living on my own. I love my own space, and it's a big thing letting someone else in your space. And yeah, it was a good thing because I realized he's not annoying, and it accelerated our relationship faster because we could actually get on in our own space. Coco, was he accepting of you, George?
Always. Accepted me like a true dad.
My baby decided if George was worthy of keeping or not. Otherwise, it wouldn't have happened. I'll be very honest. Look at my little scruffy boy. He's the scruffiest he's ever been because the groom is so busy, so she can't get him in. Oh, you're so cute. What is that cute noise? Kisses from mummy. I love my baby. He's my beautiful, beautiful boy. So my point being that time is super important. If you haven't got time, well, that's because you're probably spending it on a job. Both of you are spending too much time on a job, making money and struggling to like have free time. So the simple answer is get free time by making money in a way that is not going to sabotage your relationship. So figure out online businesses, Forex, property, you know, that's the stuff I did. And then other kind of, there's loads of side hustles, as you can call them, that you can do around your job. And then when the deals are good enough, you'll make enough money in those side hustles to replace your income. Okay, so that's very, very good. Forex is my answer for you. That's my best way. I'm giving people 25k on a fast track Forex program. Links below if you want it. Anyway, next question is as follows. Cheating. Someone said, Core Karamjit 157 on Instagram said, cheating is a problem. Wow. Well, okay, I'm just going through anyone else who said cheating is a problem. Nope. Okay. So that one person was saying that cheating is a problem. Well, my goodness, if cheating is a problem, then why the hell are you with that person? That is like really bad. Like leave, please just leave. So there is no relationship in my eyes. What would you do, George? Cheating. We have a new issue here. George is not listening to me. We have some serious big problems. Someone said they're having a cheating issue.
They're having a cheating issue. Okay.
Yeah. So should they stay together or not?
Absolutely not. What a pointless exercise.
Yeah, there you go. You heard it from George, who's like the most laid back but very strong with
There's
his.
either commitment or there isn't.
Yeah. George, do you want to come sit here and talk? Yeah, I'm going to drag George over. Give me a 5 minute. Okay, guys, so I've made a George move and say hi.
Hey guys.
George is
Here
just.
we are.
By the way, Coco is with George because George is Daddy's baby.
90% of his life is connected to my hand.
So cute. Anyway, so yeah, cheating. What was your opinion, George, on this whole?
Well, if you're having problem cheating, you really need to assess the relationship you're in. You know, commitment is pretty much everything in a relationship. So you're either all in or you're not. So, you know, if you're the one cheating, reassess your life. If you're not the one cheating, you're being cheated on, then reevaluate your relationship. You shouldn't be in it.
Yeah, so that's good. Let me give you some real heads up on why people cheat. Okay, so cheating is done because you are not fulfilling their values and they're not fulfilling your values. So like, you know, when you're really insecure and you're just clinging on to someone for dear life, it's usually a sense of insecurity that drives someone to want to step out of a relationship. So it's either you or them that's really insecure. And normally the person that is cheating is a weak act. It's always a very weak act. So I teach a lot of this on my Millionaire Mindset program, but ultimately someone cheats only when you're both not meeting each other's values. So you've got to be unconditional about it and just let them go and deal with your own insecurities, because everybody's worth more than that. You know, why would you stay with someone after they've cheated on you? Unless you're just weird. But, you know, I know lots of people who have done that. Actually, not lots. I know a few. One. How many do you know who cheated and stayed together?
Can't think of the top of my head, but I'm sure I know a few.
Yeah, people do, and it's normally because they're insecure financially, like, you know, marriages, they don't break up because they need each other for the money or something stupid like that. Or they do it for the kids, or let's stay together for the kids. Like, you know, there are some other variables involved, but just really respect yourself more is what I'm saying to you. So please don't disrespect yourself.
Yeah.
Perfect. Next question, George.
Next question. Let's have a look. So we've covered cheating. Wow, these are all one question answers. Time, consistency, lies, jealousy.
Lies and jealousy. Should we cover that one too? Yeah. That's very similar, because lies and jealousy are verging onto, well, they're all insecurities. Like, why are you insecure? Whoever's jealous of something, it's an insecurity. It could be a valid reason. Now, jealousy is a clever one. Like, you know, people feel stupid. So very often I speak to my friends and they feel bad when they step into a new relationship and they feel jealous that their partner's doing X, Y, Z. And I don't think that's necessarily just their fault to feel jealous, because there's two ways that you can feel jealous. Number one, you're just an insecure person and you don't know your self-worth, so you're going to get jealous when things happen. Maybe that person's looking at someone else, or they're texting someone else, or they're meeting up with someone else, all of these things that will make you feel jealous. Then that is an insecurity, maybe because your relationship, it doesn't give you that security, that doesn't make you feel like you're 100% in it. But also that stems from you. So if you're insecure about yourself and think you're not good enough for that person, it's always going to be there. Second reason is if that person is super insecure and they are doing stuff because some other people need attention. So I've also been in a relationship like this where even though I was feeling fine, the other person, and even if George did this, I'll be very honest, I would be pissed. Like, if he needed attention from other women because he wasn't secure in himself, there are men like this, there are women like this, that if you need validation from other women or men flirting with you just so you feel secure, like that happens, and that doesn't mean you're insecure for feeling jealous. That person is creating a very negative aura in that relationship that needs to go. So if someone's got insecure tendencies to want to speak to other people to feel better, and somebody else says to them, oh, you look great, or they text them inappropriately, that is a problem. And that's not you, that's them. They're probably not ready for a relationship like you are. And again, it's a reason for me, if it were me, I would walk away. Like, I'm worth more than that. Like, I wouldn't stand up to that. Would you?
No, absolutely not. You're right.
Yeah, I mean...
Next question. Wow. Question from Momo_272. I'm in love with you. That's my problem.
That's just taking the piss. We're going to skip that one.
Okay.
Next serious
George
question. Got jealous there.
None, cause still I am afraid to tell her that I love her.
Okay, so this has come from a guy that is apparently in a relationship but hasn't told the other person that they love them. Then that's not a relationship, that you're just dating and you need to grow a pair of balls. Because seriously, like, get over that. That's so dumb.
Yeah, and so grow a pair.
Yeah. Perfect. Okay, guys, so what we're going to do is, this is a long video and I was debating in cutting it short, but I think the content is so important. So what I'm going to do is going to have a part 1 and a part 2. So this is part 1. Make sure you join us on part 2. Ring the bell, notifications above, to make sure you get this when we release it, because I'm going to put part 2 out very, very soon, because this stuff is a Valentine special. I want you guys to have your relationships with yourself first and foremost perfect, and then it's a work in progress, and then you can have a good relationship. Would you say that, George?
Yeah, completely agree. Really valuable content, so start implementing, take action, and also give us a like, ring the bell, subscribe to Hither's channel.
Yeah, plenty more coming up. See you soon. Bye.